Midwest Picker on YouTube.
Midwest Picker here. Trying to do this without a selfie stick. It's not easy. I'm finally going on a pick. It's about time. I'll put a picture up from Facebook Marketplace. Guy is selling, I think it's 8 owner's manuals. And he wants $5 for all of it. The whole pile, he said, $5. This is in the metropolis of Edmore, Michigan. Maybe I'll put a picture up of that too. I'm going to guess before I do it. I'm going to guess population 3,500. That's just a wild guess. So I just talked about this in a previous video. Owner's manuals, John Deere tractor owner's manuals, motorcycle manuals, they can sell for good money. I did not do any comps. I did not look these up. When the guy said I wanted $5 for the pile, I sent him a message, jumped in my car, boom, gone. So I highly doubt I'll record any video while I'm there. I'm meeting the guy at his house. But I definitely will record video back at the eBay office and show you what I got. All right, we're back in the eBay office. I can't find my selfie stick. I lost it. So using a little tripod in my arm, which doesn't look cool. So I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to put some comps on the screen, and we're going to figure out what I might get for this stuff. All right, first one is this manual. This is a 1981 Honda NX50M Express SR owner's manual. Now look at this cover. The cover is roached. Don't worry about that. Don't pass these up just because they look bad, because the inside is fine. Nothing wrong with the inside. That's what people care about. I'm going to put some comps on the screen as I talk. Next is a Honda 90. This cover is really nice. Inside is nice. Oh, there's a post-it note in there. Next one is a Honda NC50 1977. That cover is nice too. Obviously, you want to get them in the best condition possible. That's a good one. This one, Baja Motorsports. I've never heard of this. It's probably made in China. There's no year on it. Could not find asking prices or sold prices, so this will be interesting. So that is a $0 amount. This one looks rough. 1977 Chevy light truck operator's manual, maintenance. So the cover, you know, looks nasty. The inside is rough too. So not sure what I'll get for that. It's hard to say. This one is really cool. Comes with the original plastic. If you're old and remember, they came like this. 71 Plymouth Valiant and Duster, plus this extra paperwork, customer care. I don't know what there's papers in there that came with the car. That actually will add to the value. I don't know why, but it does. This is in excellent condition. OEM plastic holder. People love this, especially if they restore this car. So if somebody has a 71 Plymouth Duster with a V8, like a 340, 360, and they restore it and they put it in a car show, they would love to have this for the car. This one is 1970. Cover is torn. That's okay, because the guts are still good. Oops. So definitely disclose that, you know, the cover is not intact, poor condition. Inside is still in good readable condition and usable. These comps that I'm putting on the screen, they might not be the exact same one. Cover might be different, even the year might be off, but at least it gives me a good idea of what I can ask for these. Next one, I've never heard of this, Climber Honda. This is a giant service manual, big and heavy. Cover is kind of poor, but the inside is awesome. Not bad. And you've seen these before if you've seen manual. This is a Haynes. You heard of Chilton and then Haynes. This is a 74 through 88 old Cutlass. Excellent condition. I mean, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Love it. So my prediction
if I add up all the numbers, $222 in my investment, $5. Now, that's ballpark. I could get more, I could get less. But because some of those covers are pretty gross, I'm going to estimate $200 instead of $222. So $5 into 200. This is a long tail waiting game. These guys don't take up any storage space at all. So I'm going to list them, sock them away. And of course, the upcoming What Sold videos, I'll make sure to put those on there. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Short and sweet. Long drive to Edmore. Not that you care, but it rained today like I have never seen rain before. All of the rain that we have not been getting this summer all came down today. Nuts. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for staying to the end. Until next time, see ya.